How to hide or unhide a location on your profile on Rednote. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can hide or unhide a location on your Rednote application. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow, and you should also be able to hide or unhide a location on your profile on Rednote. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote app. After that, you can go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and you will be taken to your profile piece right here. So in order to hide or unhide a location on your profile, you can tap on your profile right here, this profile option right here, and you will be taken to the location section right here. So you can find this location option on the third last option. You can go ahead and tap on it, and when you tap on it, if you have already selected a location and if you want to hide or unhide it, these are the processing we follow up. So here under public display, you can find show location with an enable or disable option. So if you enable this option, which means your location won't be hidden from everyone on your profile, but if you disable this option, that means your location is hidden from everyone on your profile on your Rednote. So you may also follow the same process in order to hide or unhide a location on your profile on Rednote as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.